Hi Arizona, this video is for your testing Pick 3 Pi method video. If you need a refresher or if you are new to my channel, basically all I do is I take the pi number, the 3.14159, and then what I do is I add or subtract those numbers to whatever digit has hit to see what may potentially play in the next 7 days. Every now and then, keep this in mind that the numbers are delayed and sometimes they do take up to 2 to 3 weeks to hit. So just a heads up. All right, Arizona. So for you, this is your second video in this series. And as of right now, it seems like your state is liking Thursdays for this method. I am going to link your first video, but ignore the Saturday comment on that, okay? So I think this method has went over to Thursdays, not Saturdays. Okay, and then also, sometimes you do have to adjust the number either -4 or +4, and I'll show you that in just a bit. Also, I normally do go back approximately 1 month to test out this theory. Okay, so on June 27th, so this part of the video, I'm going to show you how I come up with these numbers, and most of the video will be showing you that, okay? So we got 822, it hit on June 27th. So what you're going to do, you're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. So that gives 136. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. So 518. From there, you're going to take that 136, add 159. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, 6 plus 9 is 15 or 5. 136 minus 159, you have 1 minus 1 is 0. 13 minus 5 is 8, and then 16 minus 9 is 7. And then also those digits were 285 and 087. All right, so from there, so you got that 518 from up here. Okay, so you're going to add 159. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 8 plus 9 is 7. You're going to also have 518 minus 159. 5 minus 1 is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 18 minus 9 is 9. So 469. And that was a box hit on July 1st. Okay, and then you do the same thing all over again once that next Thursday hits, okay? So on July 4th, you had 647 hit, so 6 plus, so 6 plus, cannot talk, sorry. 647 plus 314, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 7 plus 4 is 1, so 951. You also subtract off 314, so 647 minus 314, so 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. From there, you're taking that 951, gonna add 159, so 9 plus 1 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 0, and then 1 plus 9 is 0. And you got minus 159, so 951 minus 1. From that 9 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 11 minus 9 is 2. That gives a box hit on July 6th. All right, and then again, same thing. Switch out the Thursdays. So you got 847 that hit on July 18th. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, I did skip July 11th because sometimes this method does not work. And it did not work the week of July 11th, okay? Okay, so July 18th, 847 hit. So you have plus 314. So 8 plus 3 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 7 plus 4 is 1, so that's 151. 847 minus 314, so you got 8 minus 3, which is 5, 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then 7 minus 4, which is 3. You're going to add the 159 to the 151, which was up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 0, and then 1 plus 9 is 0, or 10. And then you also have subtract off 159. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 11 minus 9 is 2. And then you're going to take that 533, which you got from up here, and then you're going to add 159. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 3 plus 9 is 2. And then you're also going to subtract off 159. So you got 5 minus 1, which is 4. 13 minus 5, which is 8. And then 13 minus 9, which is 4. And then here, these numbers did not hit, okay? So what you're looking for is to see if you can either add 4 somewhere or subtract off 4 somewhere. And to kind of figure out how or where to do that at, you'll need to do some back testing on your own to see what patterns may be coming up in the next 7 days, okay? So in this example though, 484, you subtract off 4 from that last 4 there, and that gives 480. I guess on this, let me think a minute, you could have also taken that off of that first 4 as well, obviously. I don't remember if 084 was a straight hit or not. So you'll need to double check that. So that's basically how you do the adjustments though. Okay, so on July 25th, you had 946 hit. 946 plus 314, so 9 plus 3 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10 or 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. You're going to take that 159 from that, or you're going to add 159 to that 250 that hit up here. Going to add 159, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 0, and then 0 plus 9 is 9. And then from there, you subtract off the 4 from that last digit, 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5, so that gives 305. And that hit on July 31st. You're going to also subtract off 159, so that's 2 minus 1, which is 1. 5 minus 5, which is 0, and then 10 minus 9, which is 1. You're going to also take 632, which is up here, and then you're going to add 159. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 2 plus 9 is 1, so 781. And then you would add the 4 to that 7. So you got 7 plus 4, which is 1, and then bring down 81. So 181. And that was a box hit on 727. All right, so on this part, I did skip, again, August 5th because this method did not work that week. August 8th, you had 680 hit, so you're going to add 314, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. You're going to have subtract off 6, or not 6. You're going to subtract off 314. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. You're going to take that 994, which is from right here. 994 plus 159 is 043. And then 043 plus 4 to that middle 4 is going to be 083. And that's going to be a box hit on 8-9. All right, everyone. So based on all of that, from those examples, and based on those examples, the potential pick 3 numbers falling in the next 7 days. Again, key word is potentially, okay? And then keep in mind you may want to play with the +4, -4 a little bit with these numbers and see if you like those results based on your own workouts, okay? But the numbers I came up with are 877, 699, 015, 873, and 177. Remember, add 4 minus 4, so you may have something like, 817, 639, and so on. Okay, Arizona, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.